thanks for joining me today. This is Jim with Jim's Garage Toys, and I'm going to be installing some door, basically kick protection on the doors for when your feet hit them, getting in and out of them. And these are from Tom's. I actually got them a while ago, and I just haven't gotten around to putting them on. So the stitching is designed to match the core. It's also available in a red to match the Circuit Edition, and should instead of just a hard plastic down there, should be a nice look for it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off the door panel, make sure there's no dirt, grease, residue, or anything like that on there, and then we'll stick these on. These are just peel and stick, so we'll see how it goes. The first thing I'm going to use to clean this off is some interior cleaner from Griot's. This is nothing fancy, but does a very good job of cleaning the interior panels and stuff, not leaving any residue. And then I will follow it up with using some paint prep, which is basically designed to remove any oils and residues and stuff that's left behind by any cleaners. So hopefully between the two we'll be in good shape. So that panel is clean. I'm starting with the rear door just because if I screw up I won't see it as much. So, but this is designed to kind of stick right up like this. So the key is seeing where it lines up, and it does seem to line up literally right at that edge. So I think the big thing will be just getting it started here and putting it right on that crease, and then just smoothing it out as I go. So there's an adhesive around the edge, and then there's an adhesive Oh, I didn't actually mean to do that. I wanted to start on this side. So, go ahead and see if I can. Guys, looks good. It matches nicely with this, but it gives just a little bit of a custom look. I like it. Looks good. Okay, so the right rear is done. Now let's go ahead and move to the right front. So on the right front door, I did the same procedure. I wiped it off with some interior cleaner, and then I did some paint prep just to make sure there was no residue, and then dried it off with a clean microfiber towel. So I just make sure that that's clean and dry and ready to go. So now I can start to try to get the adhesive backing off of this right one. This might be a little trickier because it's bigger, so we'll see how this goes. So test fitting this front one, it kind of goes right along this corner right here, this edge, this outer edge. So it makes you want to think it goes to the inner piece of this, but it doesn't. It comes to this outer edge and then right into this seam here, and the rest of it seems to fall into place. So go ahead and get all of this off and we'll start sticking. Alrighty, I got this first part of the trim taken off. Let's see if we can line this up with this forward piece. Okay. This in perfectly on this edge. There we go. There we go. Man. Crazy. There we go. There we go, guys. That looks pretty amazing. You know, it's just a simple thing, but it's amazing the difference that it adds to the door, because it looks like it's leather wrapped, even though it's not. So the hardest part about this whole thing is getting the paper covering from the stickiness. So there we go. Perfect. Now on to the other side. So the process will be the same on the other side. I won't bore you with the same thing, but there's the right rear and right front door, and just rinse and repeat for the other side, and nice little dress up piece for the interior. So anyway, hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope that helps. And for any of you that were interested in possibly doing this, like I said, it is also available with red stitching for the Circuit Edition, and a little additional touch for that trim level also. But any questions or anything on it, please feel free to shout out at me. Appreciate it if you like that. To hit the like button and subscribe, and if you want to see any other videos as I do them, ring the bell. So thank you guys, appreciate it, and I'll see you down the road.